Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with the essentials. Enable Notes in iCloud so everything syncs across devices. Once done, open Notes and pick or create a folder. This keeps your content organized from the start. Tap New Note, add a clear title, then type or dictate. Dictation saves time when your hands are busy. Make sure to check the account picker if you use multiple Apple ID. Otherwise, you'll write in the wrong inbox and lose easy access later. Now you expand the note. Use the formatting toolbar to add headings, checklists, and bullet lists because structure makes retrieval faster. Insert photos, scan documents with the camera, or sketch with Apple Pencil. These attachments turn a plain note into actionable content. Once you've added items, tag the note and pin it to keep it visible. Search and smart folders rely on those tags, so use consistent tag words. This pays off when you need something quickly later. To wrap up, secure anything sensitive by locking the note with a password or biometrics. This protects private data across devices. If you need teamwork, tap Add People and grant edit or view access. Collaboration updates in real time. Finally, export important notes to files or print a PDF for offline storage so you have backups outside iCloud. If something goes wrong, first toggle iCloud notes off and on to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.